Hi guys, today let's discuss the Sachi price action as well as this DeFi, and we'll also check the boost. We'll share. So this is a global discussion, and if you want to update the current subtitle, you can just click the closed captions and then settings and select your preferred language, guys. So today this is Sachi price action on the 4 hours time frame. So this is all the category ng market cap, guys, no. As we can see, we just discussed this the past couple of weeks. We mentioned this previous resistance. This will act as support, guys, no. And it was recently retested like around 6.05M. Again, guys, I just want to share this one lang kasi ang daming mga nagtatanong dito ano nga ba yung tingin ko sa price action nitong si Sachi. And itong mga meme coin is very volatile market. It's risky if you don't understand the risk, guys. So I just want to share my insights lang dito. Balance insights lang, guys, no. I just want to share ng negative and positive catalyst dito sa price action. And downside, upside scenario, guys, no. So upside scenario, since ito ay nire-respect naman itong zone na ito. And as we observe, na-confirm naman, no. And upon observation dito, itong zone na ito is nasa 6.05M. Ayan, will act as support, dating resistance. Ayan, no. So, nagsiserve siya dito as support. And as per observation dito sa ating stochastic, ay recently hit yung overbought, no. So, sa gantong scenario, guys, this is a selling point, no. If ever kasi na itong oversold ay napuntahan and other trader selling doon sa overbought, no. We're in around 88. So, nag 8.5M pa ito after visiting nung 6M, no. So, yung iba nagtitake profit na dyan. So, sa price naman, as we observe dito, same din, no, yung kanyang stochastic RSI. And yung resistance niya nga dito is nasa zone na ito. Ayan, no. Around 0.01. So, right now, 0.007. So, it's better to take profits. I have take profits na rin dito na ginawa. So, meron tayong mga TP1 for this burner wallet account, guys, no. So, in my own opinion, as long as na i-respect niya ito, there's a probability only na magkakaroon siya dito ng bounce, no. Again, guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference. It doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice. I just want to share my experience dito as well as masagot ko na rin yung mga questions nyo dito, guys, no. So, 4 hours time frame, meron din tayo ditong EMA 50. Na-share ko na ito for the previous video natin. Sa 15 minutes, ayan, neutral lang siya, no. So, nandito siya sa median. So, gitna siya. Walang pinaka-confirmation sa mini chart. And, puntahan natin sa 4 hours time frame. Ito yung structure niya, still on the median din. And yung support niya lang dito, yung pinaka-basis natin, dating resistance na naging support, no. So, taking profits is very important din in my own opinion. I'm waiting lang dito na i-retest niya ulit ito kasi if ever na magkaroon pa ito ng breakdown, like for example, bumaba siya dito like below 5.5, yung may next support niya dito is nasa 5.6, no, based sa market cap data. Ayan. So, yan yung isa sa mga tinitingnan natin dito na probabilities. And yung dating resistance ay magiging support niya ulit, no. Around 3.9, 3.8 territory, guys, no. Yan yung isa sa mga tinitingnan ko dito na probability sa downside. Upside scenario naman, if ever na puntahan niya yung previous highs sa market cap, around 10M, that will act as resistance, no. Bentahan ng mga nakabili dito sa zone na ito. So, yun yung isa sa mga tinitingnan natin dito na probabilities for the price action nitong si Sachi, no. So, punta naman natin yung other features dito wherein itong DeFi. Like, punta ka lang dito sa more and then select mo lang itong DeFi and meron dito mga option like sa stable coins, no. So, sa stable coins, merong 8.72 APR, APY for USDT. USDC is 6.99. USDG is 5.99, no. So, sa mga nagtatanong regarding dito sa USDG, you can just go in here naman. Punta ka lang sa more, tapos DeFi. And then, select mo lang itong USDG. You can just view. And ito yung available na option dito guys, no? Jupiter, Camino. Meron ditong pinaka-available APR, and that's the DeFi for stablecoins, no? Kahit any market conditions ay you can just explore this one guys, no? So sa bonus, meron din ditong available, like for example other tokens dito guys, no? So ngayon ay yung boost naman. Para mapuntahan yung boost, punta lang dito sa may right side, upper right side. Ayan ang portion nitong DEX, and then you can select. May mga available dito guys, na like for example Copy Bobo, X Launch, Aniches, Junction. Yan yung mga available that you can farm these rewards, no? So, yun, you can explore this one guys. Other tips pa dito, you can go dito sa may referral tab. So, select mo lang itong referral, and then you can just enter the code, and then confirm mo lang dito. Lagay mo lang dito yung code na Crypto Fortune. Ayan, for 10% discount, no? Isa sa mga advantage nito is to lower yung pinaka-executions mo dito. Like for example, you have these executions kay Sachi. Meron pinaka 10% off dito guys, no? So, yun yung isa sa mga advantage dito if you apply the code using Crypto Fortune for 10% off dito nga guys, no? So, yun guys, hopefully nagkaroon kayo dito ng updates, insights sa mga nagtatanong. I just want to share dito ng balance updates lang, insights for Sachi price action, yung boost as well, other features dito that you can earn additional rewards, no? As well as the DeFi, so may more lang, and then select mo lang yung DeFi. So, yun, hope you get some insights dito guys. Kung meron pa kayong mga questions, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.